Welcome back to Pets Videos Daily. Keeping an aquarium in your home adds numerous benefits to your health, like reducing stress and lowering blood pressure. Freshwater tanks tend to be easier to care for than saltwater tanks, and its critters are more forgiving to mistakes made by new owners. Freshwater fish has its own beautiful selection of colorful and unique species that make your aquarium thrive with life. So in this video, we're going to discuss the most beautiful fishes that are kept as pets in the aquarium world. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Neon Tetra. Probably one of the most well-known freshwater species, the neon tetra is a small, thin, and easy to care for fish that's ideal for new owners. Neon tetra do not grow very long, reaching only 2.2 centimeters in length. They're known for being a very peaceful and calm species. They do best when kept in groups and in tanks with rocks, plants, and other accessories they can hide in. Neon tetra can easily be recognized for their blue bodies and bright red stripe down their bodies. Guppies. Guppies are another fish species that makes perfect pets for beginners. They're extremely easy to care for, but tend to breed with each other fast if the genders aren't separated. They come in various colors, with males being more flamboyant than females. Guppies can also adapt to various water conditions and have lively personalities, which is what makes them so popular. It's important to keep the water temperature consistent around 50 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit so they can live happily in their tanks. Mandarin Gobi. We think these stunning-looking fish are just about the most beautiful in the ocean. The Mandarin Gobi is a marine fish found in the Pacific Ocean, inhabiting inshore reefs and sheltered lagoons. Mandarin gobies have several quirks that make them a fascinating and beautiful fish species. They're one of only 2 species in the world that can produce their own vibrant blue colors. Other creatures that appear blue, such as peacocks, cannot actually make blue pigment. These animals have colorless cells that reflect light, making the creature appear blue. Mandarin gobies are covered in tiny spikes that deliver toxic mucus to anyone or anything attempting to touch the fish. That protects the fish from predators and makes handling them tricky for reef aquarium keepers. Although you can keep Mandarin gobies in a saltwater tank, they're notoriously difficult to keep healthy, primarily due to their highly specialized dietary requirements. Clown triggerfish. The incredibly striking clown triggerfish is one of the most gorgeous fish in the ocean. The fish's lower body is dark-colored and covered with big white spots. Above that, the fish is yellow with small black dots. The fish has a white or yellow stripe across its face, and the snout is also yellow. Juvenile clown triggerfish are often very reclusive, but as they reach adulthood, the fish's personality shines through, becoming more territorial. You can keep these fish with other, larger marine species. However, if you decide to keep clown triggerfish with other semi-aggressive types, you should add the triggerfish last. You'll need a large tank if you're planning on keeping these beautiful, colorful fishes, as they need plenty of swimming space and somewhere to hide if the mood strikes. Bluefin Nato. This fish is also known by the name of Natobranchius ratchovi, originated from Mozambique. The fish has a unique and breathtaking physical appearance. They have a red base along with vibrant flashes of electric blue and turquoise. These fish can grow up to 6 centimeters in length. Males of such kind are larger and more attractive than females. They live up to a year, therefore. Their breeding is very important. They attain maturity for breeding in a few weeks after being born. Bluefin Nato is mainly found on the lowlands bordering the river. During the hot seasons, the water levels of such areas decrease. These lands are mainly used by locals to cultivate rice. That time of year is the kill fish season for this species and a few other kinds of fish in the lowlands of water. Bluefin Nato can be placed in an aquarium with a temperature of 20 to 24 centigrade with light-medium lighting. Blue Tang. This fish has a bright blue base with yellow and black patterns. The character Dory in the movie Finding Nemo gained popularity in 2003. The fish was a blue tang. They can grow to the length of 25 to 31 centimeters. The male blue tangs are considered mature when they reach the length of 13 centimeters, when the females attain maturity after reaching the length of 11 centimeters. If they are kept in the wild water, then their life expectancy is up to 30 years. They are mainly found in the region of the Western Atlantic Ocean and its nearby countries. It is found in popularity in Florida, the Bahamas, and the Caribbean Sea. These are mainly found in banks consisting of clear water. Blue tanks require a minimum of 100 gallons of water with a lot of hiding spaces. They become stressed if there are fewer hiding spaces in the aquarium. They're omnivores and feed on fish like plankton. The main source of their diet is consumed from algae. Therefore, they will happily consume algae-based fish flakes. Betta fish, or Siamese fighting fish, are also underestimated in terms of color. The most classic beautiful freshwater aquarium fish is the male betta. Male bettas have very showy fins and a torpedo-shaped body. Bettas can come in just about every color you can think of, which makes them very stunning. If you want to have multiple fish in your aquarium, the betta is not a great choice. Males need to be kept separately because they're aggressive. Luckily, if you only have one male betta, you don't need the largest tank.